In today's video, I am going to teach you how to send an instant video note circle message on WhatsApp. These are those quick circular videos that pop up right inside a chat. Perfect for sharing a face-to-face update without leaving the conversation. I will walk you through exactly how to record, cancel, and send one smoothly. First, open WhatsApp and head into the chat where you want to share your video. This can be an individual conversation or a group chat, both work the same way. It helps to think about what you want to say before you start, since these clips send quickly once you finish recording. Next, look at the text box area. You'll see the microphone icon that you normally use for voice notes. Tap that microphone once, and it will switch into a small camera icon. That's your instant video mode, and it tells WhatsApp you are about to record a circular video instead of an audio message. To start recording, press and hold the camera icon. You'll see a brief 3-second countdown, which is your cue to adjust your framing, take a breath, and get ready. When the countdown ends, your recording begins. Keep your phone steady, speak clearly, and stay in good light if you can. These short clips are great for quick reactions, instructions, or a friendly hello, with some expression behind it. If you want to go hands-free, swipe up to the lock icon while you are holding the camera button. That locks the recording, so you don't have to keep your finger on the screen. It's especially useful if you are demonstrating something or need both hands free. Just remember that once you are recording, your message is live in that chat as soon as you finish. If something goes wrong mid-recording, maybe here is a noise. You trip over your words, or you just change your mind, slide left. To cancel the recording, that discards what you captured so nothing gets sent accidentally. When you are happy with your message, simply release the camera button to send it automatically. Because releasing sends right away, try to finish cleanly. Then lift your finger, your circular video will appear instantly in the chat. If you don't see the camera icon after tapping the microphone, make sure your app is updated to the latest version. And for best results, keep your message concise. Look into the camera and be mindful of your background and surroundings. That's it. Thanks for watching.